Hi, this is Arsh Nisha. Today I'm going to do a program on operator overloading. My program is write a C++ program to create a class called date, accepts two valid dates in the form date, month and year. Implement the following operation by overloading the operator plus and minus, and the date D1 dates will be in the format like D1 and D2, and D1 should be greater than the D2. And now I'm going to enter into my program. Hash include iostream is my header file. Using namespace std is used to store the library routines like cin and cout. And I'm going to create a class in the name date. And in private, I'm declaring integer month, date, and year. In public, I'm declaring void get data int operator of date and date operator of int. And in void get data, I'm providing a statement like enter the valid date in the format of date, month, and year. And the user is entering the date, month, and year. If month is equal to 2 and date is less than 29, because in month February there are only 29 days. There are below 29 days. So the input will be wrong, and I'm asking the user to enter the date again, and I'm providing a condition like is uh, if month is greater than 12, date is greater than 31. It is a wrong input, and I'm asking the user to again enter the date again. So I'm providing another if statement like if m is equal to 4, if in month 4 and month 6 and month 9 and month 11 there are only 30 days, and that is a wrong statement. If year modulus of 4 is not equal to 0 and month is equal to 2 and date is greater than 28, it is also a wrong statement, and I am asking the user to again enter the data. And in in date operator, that is date D2, I'm initializing I node 1, node 2, node y, or else number of days. Now, and the condition is like node 1 is equal to node 2 is equal to LC 1c is equal to 0, and I'm providing a for statement for continuation. For repetition of the loop, for I is equal to 1, I less than month, I plus plus. I'm in that I'm giving another next statement like if I is equal to 1, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 5, I is equal to 7, I is equal to 8, I is equal to 10, I is equal to 12. In this month there are 31 days, so I'm giving 31. Else if I is equal to 2, in the month February there are only 28 days, else there are 30 days. In I'm providing node 1 incremented is equal to date, and again I'm giving a for loop for I is equal to 1, I less than d2, date 2, and month I plus plus. If I is equal to 1, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 5, I is equal to 7, I is equal to 8, I is equal to 10, I is equal to 12. In this month there are 31 days, else if in the February month there are node 2 is equal to 28, else it will provide 30 days. And I am providing node 2 is equal to d2 dot dd, and I am giving node y is equal to I'm giving node y is equal to year minus of d2 dot y into 365. In the year there are 365 days, so I'm giving this statement for I is equal to, and I'm providing a for loop for I is equal to d2 dot y I less than year I plus plus I will be incremented. If I modulus of 4 is equal to 0, once it will be incremented. Int y4 is equal to year and day2 dot here while I'm providing while statement that y4 is greater than 400, and once it will be incremented y4 is equal to 400 if month is if month is less greater than 2, and here will be modulus of 4 is equal to 0, once it will be incremented if date uh, date of month is greater than 2, date 2 of Here modulus of 4 is equal to 0 and else will be decremented. So number of days will be calculated in this format like node y plus node 1 minus node 2 plus 1c. If number of days is greater than 0, see out the total number of days between the dates is this minimum and the user will get the number of days between the dates provided dates and return number of days else return number of days. In date operator, I'm giving operator int nd. In date, I'm providing d3 while nd is greater than 365 days. And this because of this condition, here will be incremented and nd is equal to 365. Nd is provided as 365 while nd is greater than 30. 365 is greater than 30 while nd is greater than 30, it will provide a condition like if M1, M3, M5, M7, M8, M10, M12 has in this month there are 31 days and month will be incremented and else if month is equal to 2 in this condition the February month have 28 days and the month will be incremented else 30 days and the month will be incremented again. And if month is greater than 12 here will be incremented and if m is equal month is equal to 1 date is equal to date plus nd if date is greater than 30 and about 4 6 9 and 11 has about 30 days so month will be incremented and date is equal to 30 else if month in February month it has 28 days and month will be incremented else if and I'm providing another statement in a case like date is greater than 31 like month will be incremented and if month is greater than 12 year will be incremented and m is equal to 1 and now I'm going to overload it. Day 3 is equal day 3 of a month is equal to month, day 3 of day is equal to day, and day 3 of year is equal to year. See how new date is, and it will provide a new date, and the date will be printed in this format date, month, and year. And return to day 3. Provide in main function I'm giving integer res and num date d1 and d2 and it begins the overloading and this will be overloaded and I'm providing a if statement like s is less than 0 and it will print like the first date should be and greater than the second date. So enter the dates again. If we provide the first date less than the second date, it will be printed and it again goes to the beginning and the number will be printed and the dates will be calculated like d2 is equal to d1 plus now. I am going to run my program. Here I have to give now second date I have to give a less number and these are the days between that and number of days to be added as I'm providing and it shows this new date. Thank you. This is my end of my result.